Hello everyone friends, today we will explore the Coinex Exchange, a reliable and user-friendly platform that is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. The exchange has been operating since 2017 and is known for its stability, security, and the ability to trade without mandatory KYC verification, making it an excellent choice for those who value privacy. Today I will show you how to register, complete verification, fund your account, and start trading on Coinex, from spot trading to futures with leverage of up to 100. I will also explain how to use copy trading, staking, trading bots, and other features to earn money, even without active trading. And through our partner link in the description, you can get $100 cashback for completing a few very simple tasks, as well as a discount on trading fees. To activate the bonuses, just follow the link and register with the promo code PUMP69. Everything will automatically link to your account. Coinex is an international cryptocurrency exchange that has been operating for over 7 years and ranks among the top for reliability with a focus on privacy. The exchange serves millions of users from over 200 countries, and its key feature is the ability to trade without KYC while maintaining anonymity with full functionality. On Coinex, you'll find everything you need to earn. Spot trading, hundreds of pairs with low fees, only 0.1%. Futures, contracts with leverage up to 100. Earn, staking and flexible savings with interest. Copy trading, the ability to replicate the trades of professionals. Exchange token CET, which provides discounts on fees and bonuses for holders. P2P platform, convenient buying and selling of crypto with a card or through a bank. Coinex features an intuitive interface, a robust security system, and stable performance. The platform is suitable for both trading and long-term cryptocurrency storage. To start earning on Coinex, the first step is to register. The process takes just a couple of minutes. Follow the link in the description below the video. This is the official partner link for Coinex with bonuses. On the open page, enter your email and create a strong password. In the referral code field, make sure to enter the promo code PUMP69. This will activate the bonuses. A confirmation code will be sent to your email, copy it and paste it on the site. Done. Your account is created and you can start setting up security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in the security section to safeguard your funds. Coinex is also available in a mobile app. The exchange will prompt you to scan a QR code and download it from the App Store or Google Play to manage your balance and trade directly from your smartphone. On Coinex, you can trade and even withdraw funds without going through KYC, which is advantageous for those who want to maintain anonymity. However, if you want to increase limits and use fiat deposit methods, it's best to complete a simple identity verification. Without KYC, trading, crypto deposits, and withdrawals are available. Withdrawal limit up to $10,000 per day. Cannot participate in certain promotions and fiat operations. With KYC, withdrawal limit increases to $1 million per day. Access to P2P, launch pool, and promotions. To complete verification, go to your profile, user icon in the upper right corner. Select the verification option. Indicate your country and type of document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. Confirmation usually takes 5-15 minutes. After that, you will gain full access to all Coinex features, including P2P trading and fiat transfers. Now that your account is ready, let's go over how to fund your account and withdraw funds on the Coinex exchange. Like other top platforms, there are several methods available through a crypto wallet, P2P, and online exchangers. Method 1. Deposit cryptocurrency via wallet or another exchange. Go to the Assets section, Deposit. Select a coin, for example USDT, and specify the network, TRC20, ERC20, BSC, or another. Copy the Coinex wallet address that the system displays. Go to your external wallet, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or to another exchange, where you already have crypto. Click Withdraw, paste the Coinex address, and select the same network specified for the deposit. Confirm the transaction, and within 2 to 5 minutes, the coins will appear in your Coinex spot wallet. For beginners, it's more convenient to use the TRC20 network, as the fees and speed are optimal. There are no deposit fees from Coinex, you only pay the network fee when sending. Method 2. Deposit via P2P, buying with card or bank. If you want to buy crypto directly with your national currency, Coinex offers a P2P platform where users exchange crypto directly. This method is supported in over 200 countries worldwide, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Here's how it works. Go to the P2P trading section on the main page. Select the currency you want to pay with, like USD or EUR. Specify the payment method, bank transfer, Revolut, Wise, Payoneer, etc. Review the list of sellers. Pay attention to ratings, should be above 95%, and the number of successful trades. Click Buy USDT, enter the amount, follow the instructions, and transfer the money to the seller. After the seller confirms payment, the crypto will automatically be credited to your balance. Method 3. Purchase via online exchanger. Best Change. If P2P is unavailable in your country, you can use trusted exchangers. Follow the link to Best Change in the description below the video. On the left, select how you will pay, like your bank or payment service. On the right, select what you will receive, USDT, TRC20. Choose an exchanger with the best rate, high rating, and sufficient reserves. Enter the amount and paste the Coinex deposit address that you copied from the deposit section. Pay according to the details and wait. Within 5-30 minutes, the funds will arrive in your Coinex account. Withdrawing funds. The withdrawal process on Coinex is almost identical to depositing. Withdraw to a crypto wallet. Go to Assets. Withdraw. Select coin, for example, USDT, and the network, TRC20, BSC, Arbitrum, etc. Paste the recipient wallet address and specify the amount. Confirm the withdrawal via a code from your email or 2FA. After a few minutes, the transaction will appear on the blockchain and the funds will be in your wallet. Withdrawal via P2P. Go to P2P trading. Sell tab. Select the currency and amount. Specify your bank or payment system. Wait for the buyer to transfer money to your card, check for receipt, and only then confirm the deal. After confirmation, the system will automatically unlock the USDT in your account and transfer it to the buyer. Withdrawal via online exchanger. Best Change. If you need to withdraw cryptocurrency from Coinex to fiat, to a card or electronic money, follow the same steps as when depositing, but in reverse. Go to the Best Change website, link in the description below the video. On the left, select what you are giving, like USDT, TRC20. On the right, select what you want to receive, your country's currency to a card, euros to Revolut, dollars to Wise, or any other available system. A list of exchanges will appear on the screen. Pay attention to exchange rates, ratings and reviews, availability of the required amount. Go to the website of the selected exchanger, enter the amount, your Coinex wallet address for sending, and the details of where you want to receive the money. Transfer crypto from Coinex to the exchanger's address through the Withdraw USDT TRC20 section. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the exchanger will transfer the funds to your card or account. Usually, the operation takes 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network and service. Now that your account is funded, it's time to dive into the most exciting part, trading. On Coinex, there are two main trading modes available, spot trading and futures trading with leverage of up to 100. Spot trading is the classic way to buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current price. You actually receive the coin in your balance and can withdraw it to your wallet at any time. To get started, make sure the funds are in your spot account. If they are in another account, like P2P or futures, transfer them. Go to Assets and click Transfer. Go to the top menu and select Trade, Spot. In the upper left corner, choose a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Now, under the chart, a form will appear. 2 blocks, on the left, the green Buy button, on the right, the red Sell button. Market Order, Market tab. You buy or sell right now at the current price. Just enter the amount and the trade executes instantly. This is the simplest option, suitable for beginners. Limit Order, Limit tab. You specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, if BNB is currently priced at 1,330 USDT, but you want to buy it cheaper at 1,300. You enter the price of 1,300 and the purchase amount, then click Buy, the order will appear below. When the market price drops to 1,300, the order will execute automatically. Advanced orders on Coinex, Stop Limit and Stop Market. These orders allow you to automatically enter a trade or protect your position, even if you're not watching the chart. You set a level in advance and the exchange does everything for you when the price reaches a specified level. Stop Limit Order. This order has two parameters. Stop is at what price the order activates. Limit at what price it will be executed. Example, buying on a breakout without overpaying. Currently, BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT. You want to buy if the coin starts to rise and breaks through 1,500 USDT, but you want to enter precisely at 1,500, no higher. Go to Trade Spot, select the Stop Limit tab. In the Stop field, enter 1,500. In the Limit field, also enter 1,500. Specify the amount and click Buy BNB. When the price reaches 1,500 USDT, the exchange will create a limit order to buy at 1,500. If there are sellers at that price in the market, the transaction will execute immediately. If you want the order to trigger even if the price jumps, you can set the limit slightly higher, for example 1,505. But if it's essential to buy strictly at 1,500, keep both values the same. Stop Market Order. This order also triggers when the stop price is reached but executes at the market price, meaning instantly. It is used when it's important to enter the movement even if the price changes slightly. Example, buying on a breakout upwards at market price. Currently, BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT. You think if it breaks 1,500, the rise begins? I want to enter immediately. Go to Trade Spot. Select the Stop Market tab. In the Stop field, enter 1,500. In the Amount field, specify how much USDT you want to spend. Click Buy BNB. As soon as the price reaches 1,500 USDT, the order activates and the system will immediately buy BNB at the current market price, even if it's 1,500.2 or 1,501. This way, you enter at the very beginning of the movement without waiting for confirmation and without manual action. Main difference. Stop limit, precise, but may not execute if the market skips the price. Stop market, executes guaranteed, but the price may differ slightly. After the trade, the purchased coins can be seen in the Assets Spot Account section. From there, you can withdraw, exchange, or sell them back. Tip for beginners. If you are just starting, use a market order. It executes instantly. Once you feel more confident, try limit and stop orders. They give you more control and allow you to buy or sell on your terms. Futures trading. Futures are trading contracts, not the coins themselves. You can profit from both rising prices or long and falling prices. Short, using leverage of up to 100. To start trading futures, if there are no funds in your futures account, transfer them, assets, transfer from spot account to futures account, USDTM. Go to the trade section, futures. Select a trading pair such as BTC USDT or ETH USDT. Now set the trade parameters. Margin type. Margin is the collateral you put up to open a position. Isolated margin. You risk only the amount of that specific trade. If the price goes against you, the exchange will only close that position and your remaining balance will stay untouched. Example, you have 100 USDT, you open a trade with 20 USDT using isolated margin. If the market drops and the position is liquidated, you will only lose those 20 USDT and the remaining 80 will stay in your account. This is a safe option for beginners. You know exactly how much you can lose. Cross margin. Here, the entire balance of your futures account is used as a common buffer. If the price goes against you, the system takes additional funds from your balance to maintain the position and prevent it from being closed prematurely. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade with 20 USDT, but the market drops. The system automatically uses the remaining 80 USDT to support your position and avoid immediate liquidation. Plus, you can ride out a temporary drop if you are confident in a reversal. Minus, if the movement continues against you, you can lose your entire balance. Leverage is a tool that increases the size of your trade. You trade with a larger amount than you actually invested. For example, A leverage of 10x means your purchase is 10 times larger than your collateral. If you have 100 USDT and leverage of 10x, you trade as if you have 1000 USDT. If the market rises by 1%, you make 10%. But if the market drops by 1%, you lose the same 10%. For beginners, it's safer to use leverage no higher than 5x. The higher the leverage, the faster you can earn, but also the faster you can lose your entire deposit. In futures, you can profit in both directions, on both rising and falling markets. Long, this is buying. You open a trade if you expect the price to rise. Example: bought BTC at 130,000 USDT and sold at 200,000 USDT, you made a profit from the rise. Short, this is selling. You open a trade if you expect the price to fall. Example: opened a short at 200,000 USDT and closed at 120,000 USDT, you made a profit from the fall. Main rule: if you think the market will go up, go long. If you think the market will go down, go short. Choose the order type. Market order opens immediately at the current price. Limit order opens when the price reaches your level. After opening a position, be sure to set stop loss, a level where the trade will automatically close at a loss. Take profit, a level to lock in profits. Example: opened along at 100,000 for $100. Set stop loss at 99,000. If the price drops, you lose a maximum of $1. Take profit at 102,000. If it rises, you lock in a profit of $2. This way, you control your emotions and do not lose more than you planned. Copy trading on Coinex. Now let's explore another feature that helps even beginners earn copy trading. It is available directly in the futures copy trading section. What is it? Copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the trades of professional traders, so you don't have to sit in front of charts and analyze the market yourself. You choose a trader, allocate an amount, and the system fully copies their actions. How it works: go to the futures copy trading section on the top panel of the site or in the app. A list of traders will appear in front of you, each showing statistics: ROI, return on investment percentage, P&L, profit and loss, subscribers, how many people are copying them, trading period, how many days they have been actively trading. Use filters to select a suitable trader. Sort by profitability, number of trades, and risk level. Pay attention to stability and trading duration, not just high ROI numbers. When you choose a trader, click copy. A settings window will open. Copying settings. Copy amount. Specify how much USDT you want to allocate. For example, 50 or 100 USDT. Leverage type. You can use the same leverage as the trader or set your own. It's best for beginners not to exceed 5x. Stop loss and take profit. If desired, you can set a loss limit, for example 20%, and a profit-taking level such as 40%. Click confirm, and that's it. The system will start automatically replicating all the trades of the chosen trader. How profit is calculated. When the trader you are copying closes a profitable trade, you earn the same return proportionate to your amount. For example, if the trader has a plus 10% profit and you invested 100 USDT, your account will grow to 110 USDT. From this profit, the leader receives a commission, usually from 10% to 50% depending on their level. This amount is deducted automatically, and you don't need to calculate anything manually. Pre-token trading on Coinex. Now let's discuss one of the most interesting features of Coinex, pre-token trading. This unique format allows you to buy tokens before their official listing. Essentially, you enter a project before anyone else when the price hasn't risen yet. What is pre-token trading? Pre-token is pre-listing trading. Here, users can trade tokens of new projects before they hit the spot market. It's similar to a pre-market, akin to the idea of a launchpad or launch pool, but instead of freezing coins, you can trade them immediately. Coinex created this system so traders could evaluate new assets in advance, trade them, and then receive actual tokens when the project officially launches. How it works? Find the section. On the main page of Coinex, select Trade Pre-Token from the top menu. Select a project. For example, Pre-XPL or Pre-Linear. These are tokens that will soon hit the market. Open the token page. Here, you will see current pre-token price, number of participants, estimated date of official listing. Trade pre-token like a regular coin. You can buy and sell in pairs with USDT at market or limit prices. After the pre-period ends, when the token hits the spot market, all pre-tokens are automatically converted into the actual tokens of the project. This is called delivery. Example, suppose a project Pre-XPL is launched on Coinex. You bought it at a price of 0.10 USDT during pre-token trading. A week later, the token officially lists on the market at 0.25 USDT. When the delivery happens, all your pre-XPL automatically turns into XPL, and you effectively earn a profit even before the project goes live. Flexible savings on Coinex. If you don't want to take risks with trading but still want to earn income from crypto, Coinex has a section called Earn, where you can profit from flexible savings. This is passive income. You simply freeze your coins and the exchange pays interest daily. Plus, you can withdraw your funds at any time without penalties or locks. Where to find it? On the main page of Coinex, open the top menu and select Earn. Go to the Flexible Savings subsection. A table will appear in front of you with available assets and their yields. You choose a coin you want to put on interest. For example, USDT with an interest rate of up to 5% annually. Click Subscribe next to the desired asset. Enter the amount you want to invest, for example, 100 USDT. Confirm the operation, and that's it. Interest begins accruing the next day, and you can withdraw your funds at any time by simply clicking Withdraw. If you're ready to lock up your coins for a certain period, the Earn section also offers fixed staking, which provides a higher yield than flexible savings. The principle is the same. You invest coins and the exchange pays interest. The difference is that coins are locked for a term such as 30, 60, or 90 days, and the yield is higher. Where to find it? Go to the top menu on Coinex and select the Earn section. Choose the fixed staking tab. A list of coins will appear on the screen, indicating the locking period and annual yield. IPY. How it works? You choose a coin, such as USDT, BTC, ETH, or CET. Coinex's internal token. Specify the locking period 30, 60, or 90 days. Enter the amount you want to stake and confirm the operation. Throughout the entire period, your funds will be locked and interest will accrue daily, automatically adding to your account. At the end of the staking period, the coins return to your balance along with the profits. So we have thoroughly covered everything you need to know about the Coinex exchange, from registration and trading to staking, copy trading, and pre-token projects. Now you can confidently use the platform to trade, earn, and generate passive income.